I'm Adam, and you're watching my renovation on Iris Street. Week 143 is probably one of my shortest weeks yet. The bathroom 2 vanity arrives, and that's about it. Let's do it. On Wednesday, this beast of a vanity gets delivered. Should have I had help getting it inside? Yes. Did I? No. Did it work out okay? Yes. On Saturday, I decide that I'm unmotivated to work on my house when the weather is so nice, so I get a run in at Rocky Flats. On Monday, I judged 4-H robotics projects at the Weld County Fair. My favorite was the accuracy of this 2003 Spirit replica. This is also my 1000th day of renovating my house, which puts me in quadruple digits. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next week for more substantial content.